Hello everyone, my name is Francis Dayan P. Palabrica, a second-year college taking up a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I am here to discuss about the introduction of a Tryton ERP system. So, what is a Tryton? Tryton is a 3-tier high-level general-purpose computer application platform on top of which is built an enterprise resource planning business solution through a set of Tryton modules. 3-tier architecture consists of the Tryton client, the Tryton server, and the database management system, mainly PostgreSQL. As of December 2012, the project is backed by Tryton, a Belgian private foundation pursuing a disinterested purpose. The foundation's missions are develop and support conferences, meetings, and community activities, hold and administer the Tryton.org infrastructure, organize the community of supporters, manage and promote the Tryton trademark. The release process is organized around series. A series is a set of releases with the same two first numbers, for example, 1.0 or 1.2, that shares the same API and the same database scheme. A new series appears every 6 months, and new versions in older release are introduced with bug fixes are available. The series are maintained for 1 year, and every 5 series is a long-term support of 5 years.
Francis will give successfully and system integration and architecture. In addition, for our introduction in our ERP system, which is Tryton, Tryton's origin is a port of the version 4.2 of Tiny ERP, later called Open ERP and now renamed to Udo. The first version was published in November 2008. As of August 2015, Tryton is supported by 17 of such companies, which are distributed globally as follows. So in France, there are 3, Spain, there are 3, Colombia, there are 2, Germany, there are 2, Argentina, 1, Australia, there are 1, Belgium, 1, Brazil, 1, India, 1, Mexico, 1, and Switzerland, 1. So in total of 17. As of December 2012, the project is backed by Tryton, a Belgian private foundation pursuing a disinterested purpose.
Hi, I am Jasri Pituan, a secondary information technology student. Features and functions of Tryton. First, accounting management. It records all the transactions in your accounting plan. The transaction refers to any business activities that result in a direct effect on your financial status or financial statements of your company or of your business. Second, sales management. It is focused on a practical application of sales techniques to meet the customer satisfaction. Third, inventory and stock management. It tracks the good in your warehouse from the receipt to the delivery. It also refers to an integrated approach to business planning and operation. Fourth, customer relationship management. It is the process of managing interactions with your potential customers. It will also let you convert the idea and opportunity into sales.
Hi guys, good morning. My name is Raymond Erragas, 20 years old. I came from Santa Catarina, Negros Oriental, and my course is Bachelor of Science and Information Technology. I am a second year student.
In addition, for features and function of Tryton, here are some technical features and their function. First is data persistence. It ensured by accessors objects called modules. They allow easy creation, migration, and access to records. Second, user management. The kernel comes with the base features of user management, user groups, access rules by models and records and each other. The third is workflow engine. It allows users to activate a workflow on any business model. Fourth, report engine. The report engine is based on the relatorio that uses ODT files as templates and generate ODT or PDF reports.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Eduardo V. Orito. I'm 20 years of age. I live in Apolong, Valencia, Negros Oriental. So today, I will be making a demo for our assigned ERP system, which is Tryton. So Tryton is business software which can help you to merge the data to form a single entity. For example, the utility companies are cutting costs and merging with other companies. So, this ERP system helps you to access easily your data and outputs because when you use this Triton, the sales and reports in your company will easily arrange and accessible to the person who authorized this kind of work. So that's where how the Triton interface. So let's proceed to the modules of Triton. So party makes purchases. Party makes purchases. Sales can be a employed, a customer, or a supplier. Load. So here you can see here the parties associated. There are the names. The party associated to sales to Albert. For example, from Dunder Mifflin, his party associated to sales to Albright Memorial's Library. Then product. The product it defines the basic properties of products and their variants. Consider the variants. Into financial. So in financial, all the reports of all the transactions of your chart of account. So you can see here that all transactions of your chart in your account. So customer invoices, a draft. So you can see the draft. So let's proceed to the banking. So in banking, it is where your account is set. So let's proceed to inventory and stock. So in inventory and stock, the stock module, it defines the fundamentals for all the stock management of management situations for product arrivals and departures. And in inventory, the inventory used to control and update and stock. So here you can see the location. Then let's proceed to the purchase module. So in purchase, the the product will be purchased, of course, and a list of purchase lines that you can see, and each one containing a product and a quantity. So in sales, sales follows your sales orders. So you can see here the arrangement of your sales, and you can see here the sample of a saleable product. Let's proceed to timesheet. So timesheet will track the time spent. For example, this timesheet lines. You can see here company, the employee, the date, the duration, then the work, and then project. Project, it checks the probability of your project. So you can see here the project, if it is, you can see the percentage if it is profitable or not. So let's proceed to production. So in production, it transforms the raw materials into finished products. So you can see here the production. It is the date, the calendar, the works. So you can see here the assembled pieces. See here the production, the draft production. The draft production is just already made. So that's all for our demo for a Tryton ERP system.
Good day everyone, my name is Carl Jasper B. Pasholan and I'm here to introduce the generalization or conclusion of Tryton ERP system. Good day ma'am, I present to you the part 4 generalization or conclusion of Tryton ERP system. Based on my research and understanding, I conclude that the Tryton ERP system is very useful to a company or any businesses, even it is large or small. If you try to build a business, even it is small, you can try the Tryton ERP system. Because Tryton is an open source modular ERP framework that is built flexibility needed to fix in organization. And this ERP system is complete solution for business that provides modularity, scalability, and security. Modularity refers to the concept of making modules first and then linking and combining them to form a complete system. Example of this is your data inside your system. Scalability. Scalability describes systems' capability to adapt easily to increase workload or market demands. Security. Security is like a wide range of measures aimed at protecting ERP system from illegal access, ensuring accessibility and integrity of system data. In short, to avoid hacker or intruder on your system or in your company. And they have a lot of advantages on this ERP system, like data persistence, highly modular, user management, workflows and reports, web services, and internalization to optimize business process. Data persistence. Data persistence, in other words, for a data store to be considered persistent, it must write to non-volatile storage, which Tryton ERP system have. Highly modular. Highly modular make it attractive and easily personalizable tool that suit a variety of workflows. User management.
control user process, workflows and reports, work process step by step, web services. Web services make it available on the internet, which Triton ERP system demo we tried. Internalization means it can be adapted to cater for different languages and technical requirements of the target market. Like the Triton ERP system, it uses different languages like Python, Java, and etc. Triton's framework is data persistent, enabling storage of demographic entities like customers, orders, and sales. In short, refers to the business to identify the product preferences and purchasing by the customers. A further reason that Triton ERP is used is because you own the system and its full source content. There is no lock-in or dependency on the vendor, and you are more free on how you're going to implement the software. You can do this all by yourself or hire a provider. Triton ERP is easy to access and user-friendly, so you can manage it by your own self if you know, or hire a provider that know about this. Triton ERP systems are easier to upgrade when customization are properly implemented than with commercial systems, and upgrades can therefore be done much more often without disruption of the production system. You can also upgrade the customization if you know how to properly implement the commercial system commercial system of the Triton of your data so that it can avoid disruption of the production system. For me, the disadvantages is lack of documentation and tutorial for users. And at the beginning was hard to understand how the software works, and documentation is not good for beginners like me. When I also tried the demo. But when you get more in touch, everything gets clear and fine. And these are the uses of our Triton ERP system: accounting, invoicing, sale management, purchase management, analytic accounting, inventory management, manufacturing resource planning or MRP, project management, lead and opportunity management. That can you see in our demo.